What's up, folks? It's Ben with Overland Design-Build, and today I'm going to talk to you about Van Compass's Baja brackets. As we take a look at this rig, we notice that the full weight of the van is resting on a single shear bolt. The Baja bracket rear shock mount kit is a solution Van Compass developed to eliminate this problem. A single shear bolt isn't really a problem if you're driving a delivery van around. But without reinforcement on both sides of the shock bushing, this puts a large amount of stress on the upper bolt. Over time, the bolt will stretch, it'll come loose, eventually snapping under pressure. When exploring remote terrain, it's really important to remember that having durable vehicle components is critical, and your shocks are no exception. So explore in confidence this year and get your Baja brackets at Overland Design-Build.